Hello student, today my topic is molecularity of reaction, the number of molecules or atom of reactant that takes part in elementary chemical reaction, that is single step, or the number of reacting species, that is atom, ions and molecule, which must collide simultaneously in order to bring about a chemical reaction is called the molecularity of the reaction. Now first we have to consider collision theory. The molecule must have effective collision, then only product form. When the molecule have effective collision, then only product is formed or product will form. Or the number of molecules, atom or reactant that must collide effectively to give product in an elementary reaction, that is single step. For example, this is the molecule AA and BB is the reactant. If they have proper orientation and effective collision, then only the product will form. For example, another example, this is the hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide have one molecule, so the molecularity is 1. Here hydrogen iodide have two molecules, so the molecularity is bimolecular. Here is two molecule of NO and one molecule of O2, so altogether there is 3 molecularity, so it is trimolecular. Now come to molecularity of complex reaction, the number of reacting species or the atom, ion, molecule taking part 2 or more step in whether if the reaction take place in 2 or more step and it is the slowest elementary step, it is called complex reaction. For example, in this reaction it is take place in 2 steps. First step is this and second step is this, in which the hydrogen peroxide changes into water, and here NO is just dissociate into N2 and H2O2. So this is the slow step. If there is a slow step, it is rate determining step, and fast step is not rate determining step. So this reaction take place in 2 step, and this type of reaction known as complex reaction because it is not take place in single step. Now next topic is pseudo unimolecular reaction. For elementary reaction, the molecularity and the order are usually the same. However, here the several is the first order reaction in which molecularity differs from the order. The first order reaction having molecularity greater than 1 are called pseudo, means false, unimolecular reaction. A pseudo unimolecular reaction is obtained when one of the reactant is present in large or excess in amount. The reactant present in large excess does not contribute to the rate of the reaction. Its concentration remain almost constant during the course of the reaction, and therefore the rate of a reaction does not depend upon the concentration. For example, in this reaction, this is the ethyl acetate ester. It is just to take part in 1 mole, and the water is in excess. For example, 999 moles of water in which acetate 1 mole of acetate get dissolved. So this is very small amount and this is in the excess amount. So the order is the molecularity is 2, but order is not 2, order is 1. The first order reaction is there because water is in the excess in amount. Now next example is sucrose and large amount of water. For example, 1 mole of sucrose dissolved in 999 mole of water. So here also the water is in excess, so order is 1 but molecularity is 2 because 2 molecules join together to form the solution. So my question is for today, what is molecularity of reaction, what is complex reaction, what is pseudo unimolecular reaction. Now in this year Arrhenius and activation energy get deleted from your course, so this much is the chapter. Thank you.